Hi guys, this is J. Lorey Cañada, and as we can see no natay code 3, this is the implementing stack using linked list. Later no we can explain it line by line and how do we come up with this output. So let's get started. We declare the stack as linked list as public class, so we can access the class anywhere or any part of the program. Inside it, we declared the stack node root. Then we created a static class stack node, and inside it there's two attributions. We declare the data as an integer type and the stack node next as a pointer that will point us to our new node. Then not a constructor, the stack node and data, that data is equals to data. We use the this data word to avoid confusion with class attributes or with parameters with the same name. Next is the public boolean is empty method. This method will determine if the stack is empty or not. We use the boolean data type. So under it, sa conditional statement, if root is equals to null, then it will return true. If our root is empty or walay sud, then it will return as is empty. Else it will return false, or it will return as is not empty. It will return not. So dirita sa atong main method no. Under sa atong main method, we instantiate an object stack as linked list SLL. Then the SLL.push element 10, we invoke the SLL.push method. So ma-call siya diri sa atong push method. Atong push method or the push operation, it is used when you want to add an element sa atong stack. Since na element 10 nag-accept og 10 ang atong parameter data. Then inside it, we instantiate a new object, a new node. So diri niya ma-store ang atong element. Then the conditional statement, if root is equals to null, then root is equals to new node. Since ang atong root karon is empty, so atong root will be the new node. So nag-accept nga parameter data will be the new node 10. Then the value diri ma-print out siya as 10 push to stack. Next, nag-invoke po siya og SLL.push element 20. So balik ta sa atong nag-call siya sa atong push method. Here nag-accept siya og element or value 20. So that will be our new node value. Since ang atong root is nanaysud or it is not empty, then proceed ta sa atong else statement. Since root na to pag muna is 10, so it will stack node temp is equals to root, mahimo siyang 10. So the root will be our new node. So ang 20 will be our new node. Since dayon ang new node dot next is equals to temp, ang kaning 10 nga value will be pushed back no. So mahimo siyang inani like this. Murag stack na siya no. So kay na natin value. Then ang 20 nga element will be printed out here. Mahimo siyang 20 push to stack. Next is with the same nag-invoke yapon siya og SLL.push with an 30 element. So diri accept siya og 30 element, 30 value. 30. Since naisud ang atong root, then proceed sa else statement, then mao lang gyapon. So 20, may mo ni siyang 20. Then ang atong root will be the new node. The new node is equals to 30. Then the new node dot next is equals to temp. So ang 20 nga element mas ma-push back siya. So it is like this na, tulo na kabuok, right? Here. Then node 20, node 30. Mauna ni ang atong stack karon. So as we can see no, sa output na to dara ang atong tulong nga gi-invoke mo ni ang output. Dara 10 push to stack, 20 push to stack, and 30 push to stack. Next is the system out print ln sll.pop plus pop from stack. Since nag-invoke siya og pop nga method, so we call it the pop method here. Pop method. Under a pop method no is when you is used when you want to eject or to remove an element sa atong stack. Here makita under our pop method, nag-declare pop as an integer type is equals to integer dot minimum value. So ang integer minimum value is a constant integer nga sa constant integer class nga nag-hold or nag-present sa atong minimum integer value, which is 2 is the negative 2 to the power of 31. So mo na atong integer minimum value. Next is the if root is equals to null. If our root is equals to or it is empty, then it will print out stack is empty. Else since na may sud ang atong root, else pop is equals to root.data. So ang kaning root.data no, mao ni siya ang kanang kaning root. Other meaning sa atong root is the topmost or the top. No, it will call out the topmost element or value sa atong stack. So which is ang pinakataas na to is 30. So ang atong 30 nga value or element will be popped, and the root is equals to root.next. So ang kasunod sa atong sunod sa 30 nga stack, which is 20, will be our new root. Since na-pop na to, so it will return pop. So return pop 30 element. Here it will print out 30 popped out popped from stack. So as we can see here sa atong output dire kita 30 popped from stack. Next is the system out print top element is plus sll.pick. So kani invoke siya og pick method, ma-call out na to ang atong pick method dire here. Pick method no is a function nga mainly check niya ang pinaka topmost element sa atong stack. Here inside it we can see if root is equals to null or it is empty, it will print out stack is empty. Then if our stack is empty, it will return the integer minimum value, which is the negative 2 to the power of 31. Else it will return the root data, since na-pop naman ang atong 30 nga starting element. So ang pinakababaw na to nga node is 20. So it will return element or value 20. So here it will print out the top element is 20. Here nakita na, kita na natin. That's it for our code, since that is all. So if ever kanang curious mo nganong unsay itsura kung if we want to kuha ta og integer minimum value, here ako gi-erase ang atong duha ka element na 20 and 30. Here makita ako i-run dayon. Diri no nakita nga 10 is pushed to stack, then na-pop siya, then the stack is empty, so the top element is nigawas siya ang atong integer minimum value. So that's it for today, and have a nice day. Thank you.